Leaving menus. Edit.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a picture using JAWS, then NVDA, then Narrator, because they're all different. JAWS is more limited, and I will show you that right now. Using JAWS in Word, I'm going to Alt N P O. Alt N.
Alt upper ribbon. XP. Insert picture from leaving menus. Leaving ribbons. Insert picture. Insert picture. Unavailable. No links. Type a query and then press
Okay,
enter to
and I'm going to hush them up. So if you want to insert a picture, of course, go for full picture. If you want to emboss something, always put outline, like airplane outline. Otherwise, it'll make the dots way too convoluted. So I'm going to go ahead and do airplane
A-R-E-L-A-N-E space. I
line
space.
in
U-A-E-T.
sunset and hit enter.
Enter. Not selected airplane flying above tropical sea vertical bar
Okay.
airplane flying above
Now, all you can do with JAWS is up and down arrow. That's it. So you've got three picture items, but you cannot go left or right. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that one. I'm going to hit
space.
spacebar.
Airplane flying
I'm
above
going to
insert
tab,
left parent one right
insert, and
parent
enter.
enter. Edit cancel button to activate
Okay.
press space bar. Group in line with
Beautiful.
text button selected. One of one.
Now, he's going to talk. Yeah.
Group 3 graphic. Group 3. Picture 1. This photo by unknown author. Group 3 graphic. Group 3.
So
In
the first
line
thing
with
you're going to want
text
to
buttons.
do,
Layout options. In line with
okay,
text.
I'm just going to have to pray he stops talking. There's always a like this photo is by, and you want to go ahead and get rid of that. So let's go ahead and hit escape and then tab. So I have to do this fast so he doesn't talk over top of me.
Escape. Group. This group 3 graphic. This photo by unknown author is licensed under
And
seat
delete.
selected. Picture 1 image 6.5 inches
Now
wide
hit your
by 4 applet
applications
group
key,
cut 1 of 2. Remove
up arrow,
type size and position dot dot
and
dot
size
2.
and position. If you get object, then you already know you've got to get rid of something before you can actually get to size and position because formatting object will not do it. Hit
And
enter.
leaving menus. Picture 1 graph.
I always tell the kids get it below 3 inches. Always make sure lock aspect ratio is correct because then you only have to change one absolute value. And we always go to the largest one. So you're going to do Alt A because, you can't see. And even though you're visual and I can see lock aspect ratio is checked, but they don't know. So you're going to do Alt A.
Alt tab. Lock aspect ratio checkbox not checked.
Not checked,
Space
spacebar.
checked.
Then Alt E to absolute value.
Alt D. Absolute radio.
Tab.
Absolute height. Edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
Now, the kids are going to very quickly read on their braille display. This is the reason why you want a good braille display. You can try insert tab, see if you can force it.
Absolute height. Edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
Yeah, for whatever reason, JAWS is really having some significant issues with pictures, but the braille display, and you can see this up in the very top of my screen, 4.34, and this is the reason why you want all students to have a braille display. Anyway, continue to tab.
Absolute radio button. Absolute width. Edit combo to set the value.
And it won't read either. But on the braille display, they're going to see it 6.5. So I always tell kids, adjust the largest one. And we really do want that below 3. So this one's going to be 3, and it will adjust the other one
3.
accordingly. And then Shift Tab to make sure it adjusts.
Absolute rate. Absolute height. Edit combo to set the
Sure enough, it's down to 2. That looks great. Hit enter.
enter. Picture 1 graphic. Picture in
Okay,
line
so the
with
next
text
one
button
is,
selected. 1 of 1.
yep, and
Navigate.
if you
Layout
hit your
option.
control key, then your layout options actually open. You can hit your applications key and go to wrap text also. But let's go ahead and go down and change the what to what we
With
want.
text wrapping. Square button 1 of 6. Navigate button 2 through button 3 of 6. In front of text button. Behind top and bottom button 4 of
Typically
6.
top and bottom,
Enter.
and maybe you want
Escape.
to
Escape.
also, okay, if you lose focus of the object, Control Shift O.
Inline objects dialog. List 1 list view. Greater picture.
And alt text this thing because picture 13 inches, if you're inserting a lot of pictures, by golly, you need to alt text it. So hit enter,
Enter picture 3 inches wide by 2.
applications
Group cut
key,
1 of
and you
2.
just heard 3 inches by 2 inches. I love that. Okay, so we need alt text. That's going to be A or up arrow to view alt
A
text.
leaving menus. Document 1 dash A
A
R E L A E
airplane flying
space
in
U N E
sunset.
T.
Then when you do Control Shift O, the student's going to be able to very quickly go to all their pictures And then you're going to control
Group,
space,
move,
C
leaving
to
menus,
close
edit,
that.
airplane flying in sunset.
Maybe I want it to the right so you can actually change and adjust it with your applications key on that also. So let's go ahead and hit escape.
Escape.
Now I want to insert text. I actually forgot to do that, so I'm going to show you a trick because if you control home, a lot of times it won't move when it's all the way at the top, but this is the trick. So control A,
Selected, airplane,
control X.
press Alt plus I to drag
Okay,
equal
let's
A-N-D.
insert just a whole bunch of
Left,
text.
right parent, enter.
Okay, and now paste
Paste.
that in. Okay, so now you can actually adjust it to where you want it to go. Control Shift O,
Inline objects dialog, enter.
enter,
Document 1, airplane flying in sunset.
hit
Airplane,
your up arrow. Look at that.
air,
And it
airplane
will
flying in
actually
sunset. Escape.
adjust accordingly. So you probably don't want to put it in the middle, but you've got the idea. Okay, Control End.
Bottom, blank.
Now let's go ahead and show you Narrator before Narrator NVDA doesn't matter. So I'm going to turn off JAWS.
Unloading JAWS, quit JAWS, enter.
And we're going to go ahead and Control Windows Enter.
Starting scan, narrator,
Alt-Tab
scan
back.
off, document 1, word
Here we
window,
go. Alt-NPO.
ribbon tabs pane, insert picture from group, insert picture. cdn.hubble, type a query and then
Same thing.
L.
Now, you'll notice how it mucked up my typing. So you have to be very
line.
careful with that
L.
as you're typing. I mean, don't type fast.
A.
And even when you do, see how it does that?
A.
So
I.
sometimes you have to do
A. R.
and now it works.
E. Space, airplane, in.
So just
ET.
be very, very careful about how fast you type with Narrator. Once you do, hit enter.
Results list, airplane flying above tropical sea, airplane flying.
Okay, so the identical type of pictures, but with Narrator, you can right and left and up and down arrow.
More actions, airplane silhouette on air. More actions, free images, horizon.
Let's go ahead and down arrow.
Window view of airplane free.
Okay. So Narrator gives the ability to move around to all of them so the student can listen to absolutely every single item. I think I want
more public domain pictures.
That one.
Non-selected.
Space bar to select
public
it.
domain. Insert.
Tab to insert.
1.
Enter.
Down. Document 1.
Great.
Word window.
Okay, so
document
we don't know the
1.
size. Keep
Word
that
window.
in mind. Applications
Group.
key.
2 of 9.
Z.
Layout window. Cancel.
Now, Alt E. And by this time, the student's going to know lock aspect ratio is always checked. And they will know that immediately when they go to their height, and they're going to adjust it also. So Alt E.
Absolute. Radio
Tab.
but absolute height. Spinner. 0.49.
And you'll notice it actually reads the number to you. So it's very clear. This is what's nice about Narrator.
Absolute. Absolute width. Spinner. 0.70.
This is pretty small. So this is the largest one. So we're just going to do 2.5.
2. Period. 5.
And then
New
shift
line.
tab up to make sure it adjusts.
Absolute height. Spinner.
And it does. So hit enter. And
layout options window.
Okay.
Document 1. Word window.
Now, let's go ahead. You can see Narrator, probably the easiest, but I'm going to hit Control End.
Picture 4. Document 1.
I'm going to turn off Narrator and now do NVDA. So Control Windows Enter.
Exiting Narrator.
Okay. And let's go ahead and prepare, enter. Now let's do NVDA. And I have a command for that also, but I just use Windows.
Welcome to NVDA dialog.
Tab back.
Document 1. Word.
Okay, same thing. Alt NPO.
Ribbon tabs. Insert picture from insert picture. Please wait while we load pictures. Web type a query and.
Okay, let's try something different, shall we?
P O P E E P O E O
People
P L E
S B E A
H.
Beach. How about that?
Results list. People near sea free stock photo not selected 1 of 28.
Good.
28.
So that's a pretty good one. I mean, anytime that the student likes exactly what they want, just hit spacebar, select it, tab to insert, but I want to show you the navigation, so right arrow.
More actions but not selected 2 of 28.
Okay. And this also navigates nicely.
More actions group of people on beach at daytime free stock photo not
I
selected
kind of
3
like
of
that
20.
one, but I want to show you can down arrow and up arrow also.
Obia. March 2013. Silhouette of boy girl on beach. Free image peeps not selected. 24 of
Yeah, that's
28.
pretty nice.
Group of people on
We're
beach.
going to go with that one. So I'm going to hit
Selected.
spacebar, tab to
Insert. 1.
and
Document
enter.
1. Word. Downloading dialog.
Lovely.
Downloading.
Okay, keeping in mind you don't know the size of this. If you're low vision, you will. But we're going to adjust it. Applications key.
Cut. Remove the selection and put it on the
Z.
clip. Layout dialog. Height, width, rotate, scale.
Alt E.
Absolute radio button checked. Alt plus E.
Listen to the largest
Absolute
number.
height edits. Layout dialog. Absolute width edit selected. 6.5.
Okay, and you'll also notice it reads the numbers also. So let's go ahead and do, that's pretty large. Let's go ahead and do 2.5.
2.5.
And then shift tab, make
Layout
sure it adjusts.
absolute height edit selected. 1.67.
Yep, and enter.
Document 1.
And
Word.
lovely.
In line with text.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah.
Document 1. Word.
Yeah, that inline option is just yeah. So that is how you do your insert. That's how you have JAWS, Narrator, and NVDA. Much more thorough. They give you the ability to left, right, up, and down arrow. JAWS does not at this time. But if you're a really good searcher and you're using JAWS and you don't want to switch out, just do a really great search term and you will be good to go. So that is how you insert pictures using JAWS, NVDA, and or Narrator. Hope that helps and see you in the next video.
Screen share and meeting or leave.